received a package in the mail from the MeatStick, and they kindly asked if I would do an unboxing. So, here we go. This is a well-packaged meat thermometer. It is wireless, completely wireless. And it says it's dishwasher safe, deep fryer proof, high heat resistance, 24 plus hours on a full charge, app enhanced, extended range. Okay, now we'll pull it out of the box, see what's in here. We have a card that says thank you from the MeatStick company. And on the back it says $5 plus off your next purchase. And you have the manual. Now it's a small manual, it is readable, and it has little icons and pictures on it to kind of help you through and guide you through. Here we have the MeatStick and the charger. The good thing about this, the charger and the extender are all wrapped up into one. Now this has a magnetic back on it. It also has two rubber feet, so if you lay it down it won't slide. But I like the magnet because I can hang it on the hopper of my pellet smoker where there's no heat, and it will be right there near the MeatStick. Now it takes two AA batteries, and that's what charges this MeatStick. And they recommend that you charge the MeatStick at least 4 hours before using it. Now I have to confess, and most of you probably could already tell, I have already charged the MeatStick and I removed the tag from the MeatStick itself. The tag is a warning telling you that you must fully insert the metal part of the MeatStick into the meat. Now the solid green light means the MeatStick is in the charger and charging. Now without the extender, you need to be at least 6 feet to your oven or smoker, or 33 feet if the lid is open. You can go up to 33 feet without the extender. And when you're using the extender, you can go up to 260 feet away from the smoker or oven. But the extender needs to be at least within 6 feet of the MeatStick. After you set up your MeatStick and get it connected, you're ready to start. Now you can choose the quick start, and it'll take you to a list of a variety of ways to cook. You'll have a deep fry, oven, smoker, grill, and more. For what I'm cooking it in, I chose smoker. And then I chose pork, and then I chose pulled pork. All you have to do is make the choices you want. To bake, smoke, grill, whatever you're wanting to make, and if it's in here, and it'll give you a preset, or you can adjust the temperature to your liking. After you choose your settings, hit next, and it will create your cook. And remember, the extender is Bluetooth, not Wi-Fi. After you created the cook, it's going to show you how to insert the meat probe into the meat. And it shows you where the sensor is on the meat probe. And it's about midway. You can see the flashing area there. Hit next, and it starts the job. Now we don't have the MeatStick in the meat, of course, as you can tell. But at the end there, it reads the ambient temperature. And here, it reads the internal temperature. So you have two thermometers in one right there. Now this was just a quick unboxing with some of the features, not all of them. Hey, there's more in here. Now the MeatStick app will guide you all the way through the process of setting up the MeatStick, how to use it, and using the MeatStick. Watch for our next video when we try out the MeatStick. And what are we going to be smoking? We'll see. Stay tuned.